Build your global HR capability without outsourcing it. You're looking for more than a vendor. You need control. You need flexibility. You need the ability to scale HR and payroll operations globally without rebuilding everything from scratch. What we've built is a global capability center. It's a dedicated team designed and run by Zalaris, fully aligned with your culture, your brand, and your strategic goals. With a managed global capability center, you simplify operations across countries. You don't hire in every location. Instead, you tap into specialists in compliance, automation, data and service delivery. You gain up to 50% cost savings without sacrificing quality. You keep strategic control. And whether your hubs are in India, the Philippines, Spain, Latvia, or Poland, you gain speed, depth, and resilience. In our flexible engagement model, you choose your approach. Start lean with a focused core team, scale to a full center of excellence, or transition smoothly from legacy outsourcing to an embedded model. This isn't business process outsourcing. It's a strategic asset. You own the outcomes. We build and optimize the engine securely, efficiently, with insight. Our clients use this model to unify payroll delivery, digitize HR, and accelerate global expansion. Behind the scenes, our GCCs operate on platforms like Zalaris People Hub and SAP SuccessFactors, delivering a seamless, future-ready backbone for enterprise operations. This is how HR and payroll scale with governance, compliance, and real-time visibility. This is the future, how enterprises operate globally. Zalaris Global Capability Centers. Full control, zero overhead.